back to another CC's World TV video. It is the review and the video that you guys have been asking for in the comment section, and I'm finally here to do it. But I have a little help. We have my niece Amaya. Say hi, Maya.
Hi.
And baby Grayson. Say hi, Grayson.
Hi.
So today we are going to start my fall garden. I started it a little late this year, but it's okay because we have some help with the smart garden. So we're gonna get these things planted, and then for our VlogTober series, I'll be popping in to give you guys updates, what's moved outside, what's staying inside, and what we're doing with everything that we're planting today. So we have 27 plants to plant, so we better get started. You guys ready? All right. So I've already labeled everything for our first Click and Grow. So Maya, I'm gonna hand it to you. You're gonna find where it says Wild Strawberry. Can you find where it says Wild Strawberry? Take this one, you're gonna put it in the Wild Strawberry. And I think we lost a little food, so we're gonna pop that in there. Okay, Grayson, you're gonna plant peppermint, okay? Right here. Good job. Good job. Thanks, you guys. These were all Click and Grow pods. So the first one has all Click and Grow pods, and the next one we're gonna do experimental pods. So let's get started. Okay, so I've lost all my helpers, or both my helpers, but the show must go on. I picked up a 9-pack of experimental pods. Today in my experimental pods, I'm gonna be planting cauliflower, stevia, spinach, collard greens, Brussels sprout, pink anacia, kale, eucalyptus, and peppermint. So let's get started. Just looks like this. So it's basically the same pods with the food already in it. It just doesn't have any seeds. Every pod, I'm gonna put 2 of every seed, and hopefully they germinate, but we'll see what happens. That's why it's an experiment. So let's get started. Maya has returned to help us. She left us. She left us. So we need to plant kale, which is right here. So I'm gonna hand you 2 seeds, and I just want you to put them directly in the hole, okay? So. Dun, dun, dun. You got the last one. Just want to put enough water to the floater floats, like such. And now we can attach the lights and plug it up. Alright, so last but not least, on this AeroGarden, I'm going to put broccoli, lemongrass, turnip greens, lavender, yellow echinacea, mustard greens. I'm really excited about these ground cherries and collard greens. Now I know what you guys are saying, some of these things are not in season. That's fine. That's why I have smart gardens, so I can grow them indoors. With the AeroGarden, they have these little, I don't know what you call them, planters. So you just pop one in every hole. Been using my AeroGarden, so I am out of the AeroGarden grow pods, but they're called grow baskets. That's what these are called, grow baskets. So I'm out of the AeroGarden grow pods, but I ordered these on Amazon. They're by Urban Life, and I'm just gonna pop them in. Just like in my Click and Grow, I'm gonna try to put 2 seeds in here. We'll see what germinates. We'll see what doesn't. Some of you guys might be wondering, why is she planting so many things? Some things are for the garden, some things I need for my hair oil, which if you haven't checked out my website, shameless plug, glambycc.com. Pick you up a bottle of the Glam and Growing. It's my favorite. So you're gonna pop these grow domes on top so that it helps with the germination process. I'm gonna get this finished and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so unlike the Click and Grow, which has its own nutrients in it, the AeroGarden requires you to add, for a 9 pod garden, it's 2 capfuls of nutrients at the startup. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in. That's it. I'll set it up on the stand, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Let's have a great Vlogtober. Leave a comment down in the comment box and let me know what you guys are planting in your garden or what you would like to see me plant. Trust me, I have a black thumb, but if I can do it, anybody can do it. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Good morning, you guys. So it is day 6. I don't know if you guys can see that. Excuse my bonnet. It is day 6 and I'm getting ready to finish editing this video for you guys. But so far we have growth in our AeroGarden on our turnip greens, broccoli, collard greens, and our mustard greens. So those are doing well. We don't have any movement on the others, and what we are developing is they say it's beneficial mode, but I don't know. I don't like the way it looks. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't like the way it looks. So I'm gonna see if I can clean that up later. Growth on our kale, our Brussels sprouts, and that is in our experimental. In our Click and Grow pods, we have growth on the dwarf peas and basil and our lettuce. Oh, and I think I see like a little bitty sprout on the chives. Let me see. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get in there so y'all can see it, but there's a little bitty sprout on the chives.